Hello and welcome to CIS. Today I'm going to share with you the sample writing for the task 2. In the introduction, I have paraphrased the question statement. The question statement was saying that museums should be free of charge. I have added a reason for it since museums portray the history of a nation. क्योंकि museums एक नेशन ਦੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਪੋਰਟਰੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਡਿਪਿਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ museums should be free of charge, no money should be ought to should no ਤੁਸੀਂ ought to भी लिख सकते no money should be charged for its admittance, for its entry. Some people argue मैं लास्ट ਵਿੱਚ लिखिया according to some people. Then I have answered the question. That is my thesis statement. I disagree with this to some extent due to some reasons. The first body paragraph. I'm going to write in the disagreement. Firstly, making entry free of museums will decline its significance tremendously. ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ entry free ਕਰ ਦਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ उसकी importance बहुत ज़्यादा घट जाएगी. Tremendously मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. Now I have written one idea about its importance. Whole paragraph I'll be talking about this idea only. Next line, it is a well-known fact. कोई भी गल सच होवे, fact होवे, तुसी लिख सकते हो. It is a well-known fact that people take complimentary facilities for granted. Complimentary मतलब free. लोकी free facilities ਨੂੰ granted लेंदे ने. Granted मतलब एवं समझते हैं. And they only value those on which they have to invest something. This can be seen in your daily life also कि लोकी सिर्फ उस चीज दी रिस्पेक्ट करते ने जिहदी कोई फीस होवे. I've given one example of it. This can be seen in parks where people usually throw waste, making it filthy, making it dirty. Then coming back to the topic, in contrast, ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ charge ਕਰਾਂਗੇ visitors ਨੂੰ museums ਵਾਸਤੇ, it will stimulate them. Stimulate means encourage. ਉਹ encourage ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਕਾਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ encourage ਹੋਣਗੇ? ਆਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਐਪਰੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ, ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਐਪਰੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਦੇ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ. Instead of writing and, I have used along with. Idea was about significance. I have explained it completely. Second body paragraph. Secondly, the chargeless entry. You can see the paraphrasing also. It was entry free. I'm writing chargeless entry. Here I have written complimentary. That is also free. Chargeless entry ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? It would create financial difficulties for the authority. Financial difficulties आ जाएंगे. The next linker I'm using is in other words. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ idea ਨੂੰ elaborate करना है, you can use this linker in other words. Idea साडा है कि financial difficulties आएंगे. किस तरह financial difficulties आएंगे? Revenue generated from visitors is not only used to pay salaries to the workers employed in museums, but also for its renovation at regular intervals. Revenue ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਵਿਜ਼ਟਰਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਫੀਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਚਾਰजेस ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਸੇ ਚਾਰजेस ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਅਮਸ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਰਕਰਸ ਦੀ ਸੈਲਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇਣਗੇ, ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਰੈਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ, that will also be paid from the fees. However, पर ਜੇ म्यूजियम कोई एंट्री फी नहीं लेंदा, it would be problematic to meet these expenses. आ खर्चे नु मीट करना, आ खर्चे करना problematic हो जाए. Again explaining the same idea. Moreover, as host country has spent huge amount, जिमें कि host country ने बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगाया है to bring exotic items. Exotic means foreign made, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਲਿਆਂਦੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ. You must have seen in the museums, if you have visited any museums, sometimes it happens that if there is a painting, it's written over here that it is the painting from London. If there is any sword, it's written over there, this sword is from US. So host country, ਜਿਹੜੀ country ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ museum ਹੈਗਾ, उस country ने बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगाया है ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ items ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੇ. It is justified for them to earn money. Now in this body paragraph, I have used two complex structures, not only but also you can see as. How you use the structure of as, you write the first clause, comma, you write the second clause. On the other hand, disagree the दो paragraphs बना चुका है मैं, उनमें agreement करांगा. On the other hand, naysayers, जेडे opponents ने, वो की कह रहे ने that even low entry cost will deprive impoverished people of getting knowledge about their past. Deprive means किसी दा हक हो लेना. Impoverished, poor people. ਜਿਹੜੇ गरीब लोग ने ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੱਕ ਖੋਇਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਾਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਾਸਟ ਦੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਲੈਣ ਦਾ. ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਕਾਸਟ ਰੱਖੀ ਜਾਏ. Explaining this point only, regardless of social status means social status ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੋਵੇ, everyone including daily wagers, laborers ਜਿਹੜੇ daily work ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ and they earn daily income, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ everyone has the right to know and learn from their history. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਕੋਲ ਹੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਣੀ history ਜਾਣਨ ਦਾ, ਪਰ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ entry cost ਲਗਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ, they will be deprived of getting knowledge about the past. In addition, rich and middle class would prefer watching movies rather than visiting museums if they have to expend money to witness history. ਜਿਹੜੇ rich ਤੇ middle class ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ history ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ and if we have to spend money also, so it's better that we watch movies. Why there is a need to visit museums? So this point is saying that it should be free. Last paragraph, conclusion. I'm going to restate my ideas. Even though ਭਾਵੇਂ एंट्री फ्री ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ poor ਨੂੰ chance मिलेगा अपने past देखने ਦਾ. I have concluded this line, पर ਉਹਦਾ misuse होएगा. Misuse मैं first paragraph ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ. Second, pecuniary loss मतलब financial loss होएगा. I've written in the second body paragraph. Last point, hence reasonable fees must be charged for it.